Hello and what's up everyone? So maybe for personal reasons you want to delete all your posts on Facebook at once. If that's the case, then stay with us because in this video we're going to show you how to do that. First go to your Facebook app and then go to your profile. Then tap on this three-dot menu. After that, go to Activity Log. Scroll down a bit and next tap on Manage Your Posts. Now since you want to delete all your posts, all you have to do is check or select all in this box and then just tap on here or here in the recycle bin and then tap on Move to Trash. If you're using Facebook for a while, then it might take some time to delete all the posts from your profile. Just wait patiently and it will be done. After deleting all posts from your Facebook profile, what you have to do is go to Recycle bin and delete everything from here as well. For that, select all and right at the bottom, tap on this tiny three-dot menu and tap on Delete. Next, again tap on Delete. And after that, enter your Facebook password for that profile. And now it's gone from your profile and also from your recycle bin. We hope you could delete all posts on your Facebook like that. Let us know in the comment section if that worked or not. Thank you for watching.